Now let's see how do we use order by statement in the SQL. Basically, order by is used to sort rows by specific column in ascending or descending order. By default, the order are sorted by in ascending order. Let's see the examples. Select static from employees data. Here's the keyword, built-in keyword basically we are using in the MySQL order by salary. So what will it do? It will the order by the rows by the salary column. I haven't assigned here like ascending or descending. So here it will ascend the rows by default. Let's execute it. And here you can see it has sorted the rows for the column name salary from low to high, like in ascending order from 60,000 to 90,000, right? So another example we can descend it right away, like select static from employees data, order by salary, descending. We can use the built-in keyword DESC, basically used for descending, and ASC is used for the ascending. So let's execute this. Here you can see salary column has sorted by from highest to lowest salary from 90,000 to 60,000. Now next, at the same time we can sort the multiple columns as well. For example, select static from employees data, order by department, ascending, department in ascending order like 1 2 3 4, and comma salary in descending order like from highest salary to lowest salary. Let's execute it. Oops, I got an error. Here the cross check mark. The error says unknown column department in order clause. Basically, if you face any issue with the query, you can see the error here in the output panel right away. Here's the error. So we have the wrong column here. Let's execute it. Now here you can see we have sorted the department ID in ascending order from 1 to 3. Now next, here question arises, can we sort multiple columns as well? So the answer is no, we cannot sort the multiple columns in the SQL. Next, here question arises, can we sort multiple columns at the same time? So the answer is no, in MySQL we cannot sort the multiple columns at a time. Let's check it out. Select static from employees data, order by department in ascending order, comma salary in descending order. So let's check it out if it works. And here you can see the first statement has been sorted but the second is ignored in the SQL. First statement is the department ID in ascending order. Here you can see it's in the ascending order, but salary in descending order, it has ignored the multiple condition here. So now by default the salary is in ascending order from 60,000 to 90,000. So here we can say that only applies to first condition, only apply to first column basically. Next, let's check out the more condition played with order by. For example, select static from employees data, order by length. So basically length is the built-in function in the MySQL or SQL server. I'm going to here put the my column name, first name in descending order. So basically length function is going to count the number of characters in the first name column and it will order by to the descending order. Let's check it out. So here you can see the number of characters in the first name Sarah is the highest and the last one is Mike is the basically the lowest. So we can order by the length from the any column name like any string as well.